wanted. I just saw it in the papers. I didn't know. Then I got some information. I tried to check. I found that it was mainly legal problems on their side.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Now, on the local political scene, Your Excellency, whereas we are aware that the UPC presumptive presidential candidate was Honorable Jimmy James Michael Akena, who we understand did not satisfy the provisions of the constitution of his party, UPC, as well as the court issues, and a court case was there. He was defeated in court and he never appealed. He also did not pay for the nomination fee with the Electoral Commission. That is what we understand. And definitely he was not nominated. You are now almost a week into the presidential campaigns, but he is not campaigning. And apparently in Lao, which used to be UPC stronghold, there are a section of people who seem to be blaming you that maybe President Museveni had a hand in blocking Honorable Akena from contesting for presidency. What do you say about this, sir?
Not at all. I didn't even know that Honorable Jimmy wanted it. I just saw it in the papers. I didn't know. Then I got some information. I tried to check. I found that it was mainly legal problems on their side. It was legal. It was not political. I don't remember the details, but there was supposed to be this, that, and the other one, and the other one. It was legal. It was nothing to do with the political. Nothing to do with the politics.
Finally, from me, as we prepare to ask you to give also an opportunity to my brothers and sisters seated down there, Uganda has had an abortive discussion and debate on the succession. Whoever will be able to succeed you. There is a video clip making rounds, apparently showing you saying, "This will be now my last time. I will not contest after this." As the NRM political party prepared vibrant members that will be able to take over the mantle of the leadership of this country from you.
Where is that video?
I think even the members laughing down there do have it. You know, we are in the era of social media. That is why I said it is making rounds attributed to you that President Museveni is saying, "This will be my last time."
I was saying with my own words.
That is what it claims.
I don't remember.
Fine. Now, I request you, Mr. President, to give the opportunity to a few colleagues of mine to ask you some questions.
You people, I can see why you have blood pressure when you are young people. The issue of leadership in Uganda was resolved in 1995. We had the Constituent Assembly. It sat for almost like 2 years, I think. And we agreed on how to handle the issue of leadership. Then later on we made some amendments. The term limit, we removed it. And then also the one of age, we removed it. But it's very clear how succession will be. So it's not the other problem. The problem we should look at is poverty in the homestead. That's the one which is not resolved. This one was resolved.
There are people...
Because now you say there are 8 presidential candidates. So they are there legally. Some belong to parties, others are independent. If they are voted, if any one of them is voted, he will become president. So the constitution is there, the people, the voters are there. What is the problem? It's a question of the voting. Nobody, the only issue of who can contest for president is that you get 100 supporters in I don't know how many districts, 98 or something. That's all. So the issue of leadership was resolved, how to become leader of Uganda and how to run Uganda. It is all in the constitution.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.